In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use eToro Newsfeed. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find real-time updates on the assets you care about and how to make sense of what you're seeing so you can stay informed before you make any decisions. Start by logging into your eToro account. Once you're in, look for the main menu and click Discover. This is your hub for exploring markets. Inside Discover, you'll see categories like stocks, crypto, forex, and ETFs. Pick the category that matches what you're interested in. For example, choose stocks if you want company news, crypto for digital assets, forex for currency pairs, or ETFs for broader funds. Next, click on any asset you want to research. You might pick a well-known stock like Apple or a popular cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. This opens the asset's dedicated page, which brings together price data, charts, community conversations, and curated headlines. Now switch to the Feed or the News tab. Feed typically shows community posts related to that asset, what other investors are discussing, sharing, and reacting to in real time. This is helpful for gauging sentiment and spotting themes people are watching. News focuses on articles and headlines from media sources, earnings updates, regulatory notes, and other market-moving information. It's more editorial and less conversational. Take a moment to scan the timestamps so you know how fresh an update is. Pay attention to the headline source and the brief summary to understand the context quickly. If a headline looks important, open it to read more and check details like the company's official statement, analyst notes, or economic implications. In the feed, read a few posts to get a feel for consensus and counterpoints, and notice any charts or links shared to back up claims. Use this space to build a quick narrative around the asset. What just happened, what's expected next, and what risks or catalysts are being discussed. Be mindful of hype or rumors in the feed and consider verifying big claims by checking the related news tab or multiple headlines. Always note the date, especially around earnings, product launches, or regulatory deadlines, so you're not reacting to outdated posts. When you're done with one asset, return to Discover and repeat the process across stocks, crypto, forex, or ETFs to compare how different markets are moving. Treat the feed and news as a starting point for research, not a final verdict. Combine what you learn here with charts, fundamentals, and your own risk tolerance. This way, eToro's newsfeed becomes a clear, reliable companion to your investing workflow.